Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For this one, I'll show you how I like to create AI animated music videos from scratch. So the site I'll be using for today's video is a site called Plasmapunk.com. This is their site, and this is a great way to turn images into AI generated animations. As you can see here, you can see all the different updates and abilities and features with this application. To start though, you're going to have to sign in or sign up with your own Plasmapunk account. Or you could simply do what I did and connect my personal Google account with Plasmapunk. So the first step is to pick your music background. As you can see, there are a ton of different features and options that you can choose from absolutely for free from Plasmapunk. Click on the play button in order to hear a sample preview of each of these sounds. Once you're happy with your song choice, move on to the next step and choose a section of the song you wish to use for your video. Click on the edges of this pink square to choose and extend or retract the section. Moving on, the next step will be to edit the video settings for your AI generated video. Feel free to choose from one of these two free models. If you used to wish other models, you're going to have to pay a premium in order to access these features. Then, choose an aspect ratio, then upload your own file. And don't forget to choose an appropriate camera setting. Next, we'll be moving on to the overall video style. As you can see, Plasmapunk already offers a lot of different cool and unique styles to choose from. And now, moving on to the last step, you can review and adjust your video style, and even add a video story to make a more coherent music video. You can choose to either have the Plasmapunk program generate a story based off of the song lyrics, or based off of a text prompt that you can give it manually. Once you're happy with all the settings that you've chosen, simply click Generate Video and let Plasmapunk do its magic. As you can see, there are a ton of users for this program, so there's an actual queue in order for the video to generate. I'm going to skip ahead and show you the result of our AI generated music video. And of course, since this is an absolutely AI-generated music video, it's all completely royalty-free. And that's all the time we have for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you feel like you learned something new, don't forget to like this video. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Comment down below any questions or inquiries you may have, and we will see you guys in the next one.